guys saying, man? It's OzyWorldWide. We're here in Toronto, in Champ Sports. The exhibition right now.
I put a lean, I'm on the leader. I got product on my ass. I got slimes, they pull up fast. Put a quarter on your ass. Get your body for a pack.
Yo, what you guys saying, man? It's OzyWorldWide here, back with another video. I switched the location up today. Over here in Toronto, you know what I'm saying? Eaton Centre, Dundas Square down there. You don't know what it is, dog. This Adan over here is preaching Bible studies. The Bible saying, gang. So right now we're headed to the freaking Adidas store outside. I'm gonna check that out, you know what I mean? We'll see what's up, man. I haven't been here since I was a kid, you know? So the place looks mad different now. But yeah, you already know what's up. Adidas, winners, all that. It's actually a vibe out here though still. Hey guys, yo, we're about to pull up right now to freaking the Toronto sign. This place is wild, bro. Look at that. You ever see that in Ottawa? No. You don't see that here, yo. Check this out, bro. Look at that. The whole Barnamish festival. I have like a nigga performing right here, and you can have just people doing their own thing. It's pretty chill, all that. Yo, so we pulled this Toronto sign right here. There's people over here watching. It's pretty lit, yo. Wallah, it's pretty lit, yo. We're out here. We're gonna head to Dundas Square right now. Oh, this place is pretty lit. I mean, I might just shoot a music video here. You never know. I might come back here one day. Alright, yo, we back here in Champ Sports. I'm gonna try to get the Vapor Max. Can I get the Vapor Max? Can I get the Vapor Max? Yeah. The 10, yeah. Get that. Wallahi. Yeah. These ones are nice. These are Air Jordan 10. So the Air Jordan 10s you saw right there, she said she can give it to me for like $20 off. So I mean, I'm gonna see if I can try to hook that, you know? Well, than that, yo, the stuff you can't really find in Ottawa, you know? So it's not too bad. Y'all just copped the Champs Sports, the Vapor Maxes. Now Vapor Maxes right now. Like, yo, they were better looking than the freaking the Air Jordan 10. So yeah, I mean, I just copped that one. And right now you're about to go to Dundas Square. Wallahi. Bro, we over here at Dundas Square, bro. You know what I'm saying? This shit pretty lit. Uniqlo? Uniqlo, where's that? Over here? Yeah, that's actually sick. So what's up, you know, Uniqlo down there. You know what I mean? Freaking Dundas Square over here. You know what I mean? There's a lot of signs down there. We also hit up the Jordan store that's around the area as well. You know what I mean? Bro, it was a whole vibe out here, bro. We hit up the Toronto sign. You know what I mean? Ate some good food. That's all of that. But yo, what's crazy is, man, it started raining out of nowhere. Like out of nowhere, man. I got soaking wet. The cameraman here, yo, you got soaking wet like crazy. You know what I mean? Yo, it's actually crazy, bro. Like we picked the worst day to freaking, you know, come to this spot like this. You know what I mean? Like, yo, check this out, bro. You know what I mean? Or just have the vibe, you know, chill out. Yeah, man, we have to head over to maybe out on the west end. Check out that spot. What's good? It's currently the next day right now. We pulled up to the exhibition right now. What ride is gonna go on? The one that spins. I don't know, man. It's my first time here, yo. I gotta go check this out right now. Look at what it is, huh? Okay, we're about to go on this side right here. We'll check out this one as well. Yo, let's see if it's hype or not, you know what I'm saying? This one you're standing up, so check it out. And then there's that one up here. Check out this ride right here, Ring of Fire. Shit goes upside down. Bruh. Oh. Yo, shit. I'm getting squished! My neck hurts! That's about it for right now. About to head out real quick. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Yeah, bro. About to head out. Alright. You know how it is, bro. That's a pretty fun area, wallah. All you guys should come here, man. Bro, I was thinking about going on Wonderland instead. But then my uncle was just telling me like, yo, you should pull up to CNE, like it's a lot more better and everything. So yeah, man, I went on a few rides. I wasn't able to film too much a lot, but you know what I mean? It's all good. I'm gonna check out and get some funnel cake. Yeah, man. We got like 3 more tickets, so we'll see what we can do with it. Bro, we just got some funnel cake right now, man. Shit, my hand as hell. Wallahi. Gotta go try that right now. So blessed, y'all. I had this at Wonderland. Alright, Brian, we back. Don Mill Station. I mean, gotta head to the West End soon. But yeah, bro, I know some of you guys probably know where this is, yo. Fairview Mall. Look at that. Down there. You know what I mean? This is the place where the subway is, and yeah. Yeah, we just pulled up to Mushkaki right now, bro. Let's check this shit out. Iron spot, yo. East African. Alright, man, so this is basically what we're dealing with right here. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too light. Mushkaki fries, chicken wrap. I got the chicken right here with the rice and salad, and the mango shake too. So it's in Rexdale. Let's check it out. All that. Pretty good spot, yeah, so this is basically what I'm dealing with right here, man. Mushkaki fries with some chicken. Man, as hell. And then over here I got some mushkaki chicken. I didn't eat biris all day, so you know I gotta get some rice as well. Some lettuce too. And some mango shake with some ice cream in it. Scoop right there. Not bad. If you're ever in Rexdale, come over to this area. Over here has the box for, you know what that is. Vapor Max, dog. So you know what it is, man. Vapor Max, but this ain't no regular Vapor Max, man. This is a Vapor Max Flyknit 3s with that Flyknit technology right there. Nike Zoom technology with that outsole, especially translucent outsole, very good looking. Looks a bit like a grayish type of black. That Flywire technology also helps too. So yeah, man, has that silver clipping right there. Very breathable, very good shoe for the summertime. You know, it is what it is. Still nice. Kind of looks like the Ultra Boost a bit with the upper, that new upper. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I like that heel clip right here. Vapor Max right there. Pop, pop. So yeah, man, shout out to Champ Sports for hooking it up. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video for today. If you enjoyed what you saw, man, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, man, if you want to see some more videos. Yo, all I'm asking for, guys, man, just 2 likes. Just 2 likes, man. Give me the 2 likes. I'll give you a skit this week. You already know what it is, man. It's OzyWorldWide here. Stay blessed. Have a good day. You already know what it is. We're never lacking. We always out here. And yo, follow all my socials right now, man, if you want to see all my updates. Let's get it.